Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Chromebook is up to date, because native gamepad drivers arrive with system updates. Once done, pick a proper data-capable cable, not charge-only, and plug the controller into the Chromebook's USB port. Turn the controller on and watch for the LED or rumble that proves power. This immediate feedback tells you the physical link is live. Now the OS can enumerate the device and expose it to games and web gamepad APIs. Next, verify that Chrome OS recognizes the controller. Go to Settings and look under Connected Devices or Input Peripherals to see an entry for a gamepad. If it's listed, open a browser-based gamepad tester or any HTML5 game that reads Gamepad API to confirm buttons and axes respond. If axes are reversed or dead, try a different data cable or port and reboot the Chromebook. These checks isolate whether it's a... To finish, launch your game or app and validate controls. Chrome OS typically maps standard Xbox buttons automatically, so you can play immediately. If something still fails, confirm the controller works on another computer to rule out a defective unit, then update firmware on console or PC if available. As a key troubleshooting tip, always try a different high-quality data cable or a powered USB hub. Many detection failures come from charge-only cables or insufficient USB power, not Chrome OS itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.